This judge was shocked when this gold digger demanded her husband's house after 6 months of marriage. And when he realized she was lying in court, watch how he saved the husband from the biggest mistake he ever made.
What's led to you filing this divorce, sir?
We started having issues in October, which was relatively shortly after being married. She even told me that her therapist and her discovered that through their therapy that she wasn't really in love with me and that she wanted consistency and stability for her kids and thought that she could love me over time.
So she had to go to therapy to figure out she didn't love you. Has she made any threats towards you?
Multiple.
Tell me about those.
We got into an argument.
Verbal argument, physical argument, what?
Verbal argument. I'm not a physical person. In that argument, divorce came up and she wanted me out of the house. She said she would throw herself against the wall and call the cops, say I did it. That was one occasion. Another occasion, she threatened she'd call the cops. So I said I'd come to the house, wait for the cops to get there. They never came. Recently, as 2 weeks ago, she said that she was going to call the cops, that I'd hit her in front of her 12-year-old, which obviously I didn't.
You have 3 children by how many different men?
3.
They are both asking for a divorce. So therefore, as was pointed out, whether Ms. Balknick wants to move out of the house or not, right now, that's coming. You're going to have to do it sooner or later. In the interim period that they reside together, she will pay all payments that she has on her income and expense statement. She's showing a shortage of her income and expenses that she's negative $1,505.56. So it's clearly more than her expenses are, even considering those expenses, which when I look at, I don't spend $489 on recreation and entertainment a month. The court's usually looking to put the parties back in the situation they were in prior to the marriage. It's just that simple. Short-term marriages of 6 months do not typically require or even justify the awarding of alimony or spousal support, absent some compelling circumstances. So I'm just saying these expenses that are here are going to have to be looked at. With that being the case, I will put down this further order. These parties are both restrained and prohibited from involving law enforcement in any way, shape, form, or fashion against one another to gain an advantage in this divorce action or to seek to have the other removed from the home. A violation of this order will be contempt of court.